Why is your car dashboard dark? Two common culprits: electrical problems and battery issues. Let's start with electrical. Your dashboard relies on fuses to protect its circuits. A blown fuse is a common cause, cutting power to lights and gauges. Check your fuse box, usually under the dash, consult your owner's manual, and look for blown fuses. Wiring problems, like corrosion or loose connections, can also cause failures. Inspect wiring for damage and clean connections. Replacing fuses typically costs only a few dollars, and cleaning connections can prevent future issues. A multimeter is your friend here to test the fuses. These electrical failures are the cause for 35% of fixes per Automotive News surveys, so it's very likely. If the fuses and wiring are fine, the issue might be your battery or alternator. A weak or dead battery can cause a dashboard to dim or fail entirely. Test your battery voltage with a multimeter. It should be 12.6 volts or higher when the car is off. If it's low, you might need a jump start or a new battery. The alternator charges the battery while you drive. If the alternator is faulty, the battery will drain, leading to dashboard problems. Use a diagnostic tool to check the alternator's output. It should be between 13.5 volts and 14.5 volts while the engine is running. Alternator repairs or replacements can cost between $300 and $600. Get the battery checked every 6 months by a professional.